Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about toothbrushes. Yes, I know I've talked before about general tooth and dental care, but I want to focus specifically on toothbrushes because I've noticed a lot of people talking about, oh, I found this, this 6-pack or 12-pack of toothpaste, and I got a couple of them. They're really great deals. So they're loaded with toothpaste for the next 20 years. But they only have one toothbrush. They haven't gotten extra toothbrushes. So that's what I want to talk to you about, is make sure you have extra toothbrushes, because toothbrushes wear out. Now, I know some people, they go to the dentist every 6 months and their toothbrush that they're using isn't quite wore out yet, but they get a free one from the dentist and they just toss that in a drawer until the other one finally wears out. And so they wind up after a couple of years with several extra toothbrushes. Great. But do you have enough toothbrushes for long term if you can't get to the dentist to pick up that free toothbrush? Also, some people prefer to use powered toothbrushes. Ones that either have the has the battery operated, or the rechargeable one has the it either goes this way or it vibrates sideways, whatever type it is. Sometimes the heads are replaceable. Sometimes the whole unit is a disposable one for kids and stuff like that. You need to think about having these long term. So you may need to add a few more to your supplies. Now, I just was watching another channel where he was using the electric toothbrush that oscillated, vibrated really good, to go around and get his tomatoes to drop their pollen so he could pollinate the tomato plant, because he was doing it in a greenhouse, or he was doing it indoors where there are no insects to do the pollinating for him. So that's something else to consider about having toothbrushes for. Now, some people use their old toothbrushes to clean. Like when we were little kids, when our mom would swap out our toothbrushes with the old ones, she put the old ones under the bathroom sink in a cup, and those were for cleaning the bathroom, for cleaning the tile, cleaning the sink, cleaning around the toilet, cleaning the bathtub. So don't throw away your old toothbrushes. Save them for cleaning as well. All right. Remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and other things you need to survive. No, not just survive, but to thrive as well. Why? This is why.